If you have an older pool with a broken light or an above ground pool with zero lighting, you know how depressing a dark pool looks at night. You also probably know that getting an electrician to hardwire a new pool light can cost easily over $1,500. But what if you could completely illuminate your pool for a fraction of that, with zero wiring, zero electricity costs, and 3-second installation? Today, we are unboxing, setting up, and testing the Sansi Solar RGB LED pool light. Let's see if it actually lives up to the hype, or if it's just another weak floating gimmick. Alright, let's get this thing open. Inside the box we get the user manual, a notice regarding the push button activation, the RF remote control, the magnetic mounting plate system, the main Sansi pool light unit. First impressions right out of the box, this thing has some real weight to it. It doesn't feel like those cheap plastic dollar store floating pool lights. They also provide mounting adhesive and large reusable zip or cable ties. Taking a closer look at the unit itself, this is a fully sealed IP68 waterproof design. Sansi uses a dual color molding process to make sure no water leaks inside. On the bottom, you'll see the high efficiency LED chips paired with their specialized 150-degree wide angle lenses. Okay, before you throw this straight into the water, there is a crucial step that can trip up almost anyone. Remember that push button activation notice I mentioned earlier? If you press the remote right out of the box, nothing will happen. To wake the light up from factory sleep mode, you need to double tap the built-in button on the lamp itself to activate it for the first time. Once you do that, the remote takes over completely. Now, let's talk about power. This is a dual charge system. Right up top, we have the solar panel. For the initial power boost, it takes about 2 or 3 hours. Pop open the waterproof silicone flap underneath and plug your Type-C cable in for a quick top-off before its first night. When charging from the sun or USB-C, the green indicator LED will flash, and once fully charged, the indicator will be steady solid, just like this. By following the instructions, assembly is as easy as tucking the excess cable into the flatter lower LED body, aligning the stem of the solar panel, and sliding it in until you hear it click. Next, we'll have to pick our mount point. If you have a steel-walled above-ground pool or a round frame pool, simply place the light on the inner wall and stick the magnetic plate on the outside. It snaps right into place, or use the included zip ties to secure to the frame. For concrete or vinyl in-ground pools, you can use the included marine-grade adhesive to affix the magnetic plate straight to the ledge or coping that will attach directly underneath the solar panel. The best part, because it's magnetic, when winter comes or you need to charge it via USB on a cloudy week, you just grab it, pull it off the magnet, and lift it right out. No tools needed. And boom! Look at that. Sansi claims this light puts out double the brightness of conventional wireless pool lights because of those optical lenses, and honestly, the camera doesn't even do it justice. The 150-degree wide angle beams throws light all the way to the deep end without leaving massive dead zones or dark corners. With the RF remote, you get 20 vibrant colors and 4 different modes: flash, fade, smooth, and static. You can also adjust the brightness across 5 different levels and set a built-in timer for 2, 4, or 6 hours, so it's not running all night long. And because it's an RF remote, it works up to 65 feet away through walls, meaning you can turn your pool party on from inside the house. So, what's the final verdict after testing it out? The pros? The brightness. It easily replaces 2 cheaper puck lights. One of these perfectly illuminated my entire 13 by 32 foot pool. The battery life. It packs a 4,000 milliamp hour battery. On a full solar charge, it runs up to 12 continuous hours. And there's zero utility costs. It sits up to 12 inches deep, catches the sun all day, and turns on automatically at night. The cons. If your pool gets heavily shaded by trees during the day, the solar panel won't charge at 100%, meaning you'll find yourself using the Type-C USB cable to manually charge it every few days. Also note that while the light is beautifully submersible, the remote itself is not waterproof, so don't drop it in the deep end. Speaking of the remote, another con is that it doesn't come with the required pair of AAA batteries to operate. If you don't want to spend thousands of dollars repairing a hardwired pool light, or if you just want to completely elevate your backyard vibe for the summer, this is a massive win. The cons I mentioned are very minor, and I was legitimately surprised at how well this worked with the amount of light it put out. I can only imagine if I had 2 of these at either end of the pool. I've left a link to the Sansi Solar Pool Light in the description below if you want to check current pricing. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, hit subscribe for future videos I upload, and let me know in the comments what color you'd leave your pool on. And thanks for watching.